month, Missouri voters passed Amendment 3, overturning Missouri's near-total abortion ban and guaranteeing Missourians a constitutional right to the procedure. But as Fox 2's Max Deeknight reports, the legal battle over abortion in the state is far from over, with a major hearing happening today.
Planned Parenthood and the ACLU filed the lawsuit right after the election, and Wednesday, the first hearing for it was held in Jackson County. Amendment 3 guarantees the right to an abortion, but abortion rights advocates argue existing state laws are in direct violation of it by either preventing or severely delaying access to the procedure. The judge didn't issue a ruling Wednesday. The AG's office argues these laws actually protect women from being pressured into an abortion.
And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to create a situation where those women can in fact make the choice that they want to do, and we know most of the time that's childbirth.
One of the laws in question requires women to be given the option to view an ultrasound at least 72 hours before getting an abortion. Solicitor General Josh Devine argues that law does not violate Amendment 3.
Planned Parenthood is attacking that. They're trying to take that away. And we heard why they want to do that. They know that when women are given the opportunity to view an ultrasound, a lot of them choose childbirth. Planned Parenthood doesn't make any money when it comes to childbirth, and so they don't want women to have that right.
But abortion rights advocates call these laws trap laws. They're asking the judge for a preliminary injunction so Missourians have full access while the legal process plays out.
The state's trying to delay, distract, and ultimately deny Missourians from accessing abortion care, but Missourians have been heard. They were loud, they were clear. We want to restore abortion rights. I would advise Missourians to look at the language of the amendment and not to look at the Attorney General's interpretation. It is not the role of that office to interpret the law, it's the role of the court, and we expect the court's going to do that, ensure the Missourians can get care.